Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and also we are in definite integrals. In this class we will see 4 questions regarding areas bounded by the curves, how to find and all. Okay, and let us see question number 37. Eamcet 2018 question. Observe carefully the area of the region bounded by x-axis and curve. This is curve and x-axis. You see here some figure I want to draw. Logically you think. See, x-axis and curve means it will be like this x-axis. This is y-axis. And curve may be like this. May not be center, but see, curve may have 2 points touching on x-axis, and at x is equal to 0, some point may be there at y-axis. Okay. First of all, let us find these. Then we can find a area bounded by this curve and this x-axis. Okay. Little bit extension also I want. Okay. Okay. Let me see what will happen now. See. See, at x is equal to 0, what is the y value? See how I am tackling this question, observe carefully, logically. Okay. At x is equal to 0. See, x minus side plus side may be there, we don't know. Let us see. But at x is equal to 0, what will be the y value? X is equal to 0 means, comma, y is equal to, see, 0, 0, 1. That means y will be 1 at x is equal to 0. That one thing we have done. Okay, now you see, now at y is equal to 0, 2 values may come because it is a curve. It may be touching at 2 points. At y is equal to 0, x may be at 2 points. Let me see what are those points. Okay. At y is equal to 0 implies, that means y0 means, shall I write like this? 1 minus x minus 6x square is equal to 0. When it is 0, if you multiply with minus, automatically this equation is going to become like this, you see. 6x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now you see, this is quadratic equation. 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. Plus 1 has to come. Plus 1 has to come means, shall I make 6 into minus 1? Minus 6. 6 minus 1 is, oh no, plus 1. 3 into minus 2. Minus 6, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, then proceed. 6x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, if that is the case, you see 3x is common, then take 3x. See, 6x square has to come. That means, see, 2x, if I keep 3 into 2, 6x square plus 1, 3x square. Okay, again 2x plus 1 you have to write. 2x minus 1 if you keep minus 2x minus 1. Okay, now two x plus 1 into 3x minus 1 equal to 0, or else x is equal to minus 1 by 2, x is equal to 1 by 3. That means, see, x has got 2 values, so minus 1 by 2, 1 by 3. See, this is minus 1 by 2, this is 1 by 3. Why? Because it's 0, this side is minus, that side is plus. Okay. Okay, now, shall I mark this area bounded where it comes under? Okay, this is the area. That is the area. Okay, now how to find that area? Normally you see, area bounded by the curve means, in x-axis only we are taking, limit you apply this x and curve you write, integrate, that's all. Okay, let me do it. You see, integral area A is equal to integral minus 1 by 2 to 3. Sorry, minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 3, not 3. Minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 3. Then you write this curve equation. Curve equation, how you are going to write? 1 minus x minus 6x square dx, that's all. Okay, this curve. Okay, and the limits are x limits and curve. Let us proceed then. That is equal to 1 means x minus x square by 2 minus 6 x cube by 3. 3 ones, 3 twos. Okay, and minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 3. Okay, now proceed. That is equal to, you see, you write first to finalize. Why? Because see here 2x cube will come, denominator is not there. First write down this. X minus x square by 2 minus 2x cube minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 3. Okay, a little bit carefully how to do here. Here 2-3 times I also got mistaken. Observe carefully how to deal this and that. Okay, see, that is equal to, first upper limit I am making. X means 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 whole square, 1 by 9, 1 by 9 by 2, 1 by 18. Okay, minus 2 into x cube, 1 by 27. X cube means 1 by 27. That means 2 by 27. Is it okay? What is this? This is upper limit. Minus lower limit. Lower limit means minus 1 by 2 is there. Minus 1 by 2 straight away write first minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 square by 2. Minus 1 by 2 square means plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 by 2. 1 by 8. Outside minus will be like this only. Don't forget. That means see minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8. Now go for 2 into x. Minus 2 into x cube. Here you see x cube means 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole cube. Minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8 outside minus. Plus 1 by 8. Understand? Yes. Then proceed. Okay, you see here shall we take 54 as LCM? Why? Because 27 2s are 54, 18 3s are 54, 3 also 18s are 54. Okay, write down 54 if I take LCM. 3 18 times goes. Okay, plus, sorry, not plus, minus. 18 3 times go. 27 2 times. 2 into 2, 4. Is it okay? Okay. Okay. Now 54, 2, 3. 3 18 times. 18 into 1, 18. Okay. 18, 3 times. 3 into 1, 3. Okay. 27, 2 times. 2 into 2, 4. Okay. This is over. Minus. Now you take 8 as LCM here. 2 4 times. Minus 4. 8 one time. Minus 1. 8 one time. Plus 2. That is equal to. Okay. See 18 minus 7. 11. 18 minus 3 is 15. 15 minus 4 is 11. 11 by 54. Minus. See here. Minus 5 plus 2. Minus 3. Minus 3 by 8. Minus 3 by 8 minus plus 3 by 8. Okay. Minus 5 plus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3, but minus 3 by 8. But outside minus is there. 3 by 8. Minus of minus 3 plus 3 by 8. Okay. Now you see 54 and 8 LCM we don't have. Then you go for multiplication. Straight away 88 plus. Okay. 11 8s are 88. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16, 162. divided by 8 fours are 32, 3, 8 fives are 40 plus 3, 432. That is equal to, you see, 162 plus 8, 170 plus 80, 250 by 432. That is equal to, see, 2 times goes it, 125 by 2, 2 ones, 2 sixes. See, this is answer. Why? Because if further we cannot reduce it. 125, 216 is your answer. Okay. Let's go for next question. Okay. See, question number 38. Eamcet 2017 question. The area of the region bounded by the curves x is equal to y square minus 2 and x is equal to y is. Okay. See here, logic is here. They are mentioning. They are not mentioning y is equal to something. They are mentioning x is equal to something. That means see, area you have to find not y dx. You have to find x dy. Hint I am telling. Okay. And see, I am writing one figure. First observe carefully. See, if this is x axis and y axis. Okay. I am writing here x axis and y axis. X is equal to y means how it comes? Is it okay? This is x is equal to 1. X is 0 means 0. X is equal to minus 1 means minus 1. Y. X is equal to 2 means y also 2. This is that curve. That is one thing. X is equal to y square minus 2. How it comes under that curve? I will explain later. First let us see. Why? Because see, this we know. X is equal to 0 means y is equal to 0. But you come back here. Why? Because see, you have to solve these two equations. Then you are going to get that. Okay, you see, what they have given? They have given x is equal to y square minus 2, also x is equal to y, or else y square minus 2 is equal to y, or else y square minus y minus 2 equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. Okay, now you see 1 into minus 2, minus 2, but minus 1 has to come. You see, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. Then proceed. Y square minus 2y plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, now you see, y you take common, y minus 2, y minus 2, y minus 2 is there, that means plus 1 you keep. Okay, now come back. See, y plus 1 into y minus 2 is equal to 0, or else y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2. These are very important. See, you are going to get values of y, not x. That means you have to do in this case. Say y is equal to minus 1 means maybe here minus 1, y is equal to 2 means maybe here 2. These 2 points are important. That means along with y axis you are doing means x dy you have to take. See, I want to write here. See, earlier we were doing y dx. Y in terms of x will be there. Automatically y may be x square plus 3 will come. Then dx we were doing. Now what you have to do? You have to do x dy. Y limits you have to take. Earlier we were taking x limits, horizontal. Now you have to take vertical limits. Vertical limits means minus 1 to y axis. Minus 1 to 2. But what about x? X are here only. Y square minus 2 minus y dy, that's all. Okay, like that you have to take. Okay, now see, limits also you have got. But how you know? Curve. Without drawing figure can we do? We can do, but to understand it easily, or what we can say, more depth, I will write figure also. Okay, now we have seen. Now we will see at x is equal to 0, at y is equal to 0, what will happen. Then we will get some idea. Okay, see what I am writing. At x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Why? X is equal to y means x is equal to 0 means y is equal to 0. This is one point. Okay. Now at see, this is first curve. But what about at y is equal to 0? Why? Because don't take at x is equal to 0, we are going to take vertical. That is why I want to take y is equal to 0. At y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. That means y if you make 0, x will be minus 2, not plus 2, minus 2. That means minus 2 may be here. Now what you are understanding here? Okay, see. This curve will touch like this. Not like that. Okay, you see, where this curve touch, this will be minus 1. Where this curve touch, this will be plus 2. Okay, minus 1 to plus 2, minus 1 to plus 2. See, these values came from intersection of these two curve and line. Curve and line intersection means this is the point and this is the point. This is the point means on y axis it will be minus 1, on x axis it will be, sorry, on positive side it will be 2. Okay, now see what will be this area, what they are asking. The area will be this one, complete. See, I am shading this there. This is the area you require. Okay. Now how we are going? You see, like this you think. See, minus 1 to 2, curve minus line or line minus curve. See, you have to put modulus. Because finally area means positive quantity. Sometimes it may come negative because of some mistake. Then you take positive. Okay? Let me do it. Okay, now see, now we will proceed for integration. See, area A is equal to integral minus 1 to plus 2 curve. Curve is how much? Curve y square minus 2 minus line. Line is minus y. Y square minus 2 minus y. dy. Understand? Okay. X dx, no, y dy, because we are going in vertical direction. Now proceed, then y cube by 3 minus 2y minus y square by 2 minus 1 to 2. Okay. Now proceed further. 2 cube, 8 by 3 minus 2 into 2, 4 minus 2 square, 4 by 2, 2. Okay, this is upper limit minus lower limit. Minus 1 cube, minus 1 by 3 minus 2 into minus 1, minus of minus 1, plus 1, plus 2. See, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, plus 2 minus y square, minus 1 square plus 1 by 2. That means minus 1 by 2 will be like this only. Then you proceed further. 8 by 3 minus 6 minus, okay, you see, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 by 6. 2 minus 5 by 6. Is it okay? First you see. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 divided by 6. Minus 5 by 6. 2 minus 5 by 6. Okay. Now proceed. 8 minus 18 by 3. 8 minus 18. 6 3s are 18. Okay. By 3 minus, see, 12 minus 5. 7 by 6. 12 minus 5. 7 by 6. Outside minus is there. Okay. Okay. That is equal to, see, 8 minus 18 means minus 10. Minus 10 by 3. Minus 7 by 6. Okay. Then you take 6 as LCM. 3 2 times. Minus 20. Minus 7. Minus 27 by 6. That is equal to 3 9s. 3 2s. Minus. Implies 9 by 2. Why? Because you apply modulus. Okay, I think we would have taken this, what we can say, y minus y square minus 2. At the time y is going to become plus, this is going to become minus, this is going to become plus, then directly 9 by 2 will come. Okay, not wrong. You apply modulus finally, answer will be 9 by 2. Okay, let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 39. This is also JEE question, JEE 2007. The area enclosed between the curves y square is equal to x and y is equal to modulus of x is what, like they are asking. Okay, first of all, y square is equal to x means it is like a parabola, but observe carefully, y may be positive or negative, but x is always positive. Shall I write that figure like this? You see how I am writing. See, y square is equal to x means that will be like this. Parabola. Y, see, y may be positive or negative, y may be positive or negative, but x is always positive. That side only will come, this side will not come. Okay? What about x? Y is equal to x. See, y is equal to modulus of x implies y may be plus x or y may be minus x. If y is equal to plus x means that graph will be how? If y is equal to minus x means opposite. Okay. Now you extend this curve. At one point it is going to touch it. Okay. Now we will find this point. This point is 0. We know very well. Okay. This point, if you find automatically this both are equal. Why? Because y is equal to x, like they are mentioning. Let me see. Or else let us do some calculation. Then you are going to see the area between the curves. Like it ending, but one is line only. Okay, that means see, the area is this one. Okay, that is the area you have to find. Okay, now see, little bit calculation let us do. You see, y square is equal to x. Y square is equal to x square. How it has come? See, square on both sides. Y square modulus of x whole square means x square. That means you see x square is equal to x, or else x square minus x is equal to 0, or else x if you take common, x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. This is very important. You see, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. That means this is 1. Okay? At x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. That is not a problem. But what about at x is equal to 1? Why? Because x1 has come, na? At x is equal to 1, y may be plus 1 or minus 1. Y is equal to plus 1, y is equal to minus 1. That means this point you see here. X is equal to 1, 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1. Understand? Now what we are going to take then? See, I want to tell you. See, 1 and 1 minus 1 both are same but opposite direction. What I want to do, this area I find, multiply with 2, then total area will come. That's all. Okay? But how you are going to find that area? Limit is 0 to 1, that's all. 0 to 1. Okay? Integral 2 times area, I am writing here. 2 times of only a positive quadrant I am taking. Why? Because y is equal to plus x I can take. Okay? One thing. Another thing, y square is equal to x means implies y is equal to plus or minus root x will come. But see, this is plus root x, this is minus root x. Then I am taking first quadrant and multiply with 2. Both I am going to get. That means plus root x I am going to take. Okay. root x, y is equal to root x minus line is x plus x dx. Is it okay? This x how it has come? This x is this one plus x and minus x plus x I have taken plus x. But see, curve minus line you have to make. First curve minus second curve line. Curve minus line. First curve is y is equal to plus or minus root x, but plus root x I have taken first quadrant. Okay, go for x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus x square by 2. See, limits are not written. 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Okay. Okay. Now see 2 times of, okay. See 0 you need not submit. Why? Because 0 means 0 only. See 2 into 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3. X to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2 only. Okay. Okay. Now 2 by 3 into 1 power something is 1 only, that's all. Minus 1 by 2. Okay. That's all. Why? Because 0 you need not submit. Okay. Now you see 2 into 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. That is equal to, you see, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. 1 by 6. That is equal to 1 by 3. 2 into 1 by 6 means 1 by 3. This is answer for this question. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 40. Eamcet 2017 question. The area of the region bounded by the parabolas y square is equal to 4x and y square is equal to 4 into 4 minus x is. Two parabolas are there, but how these directions are there we don't know, but we have to find it. Why? Because two parabolas, see, normally parabola will be like this. Y square is equal to 4x means y may be positive or negative, but x will be positive. That means this is parabola. Here also y square is equal to this thing means y may be plus or minus, but this may be like this. That means see, these two parabolas may be like this, or these parabolas may be like this, or these parabolas may be like this. Let me find. Okay, see, we have to what we can say solve, then we are going to find. Okay, see, let us find one by one. Okay, first one, simple formula, simple parabola that we can draw. See, I am drawing this. Y square is equal to 4x. Shall I take like this? Why? Because see, y may be positive or negative. After squaring, x will be positive. Y may be negative or positive, but x will be positive. Okay, this is first one. Y square is equal to 4x. Okay. Now, see first, one by one I am writing. Y square is equal to 4x implies at x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Okay. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. This is one thing from first this one. Okay. Second one, you go back. This one. Y square is equal to 4 into 4 minus x implies at x is equal to 0, y square is equal to 16, y is equal to plus or minus 4. That is very crucial. That means see, at x is equal to 0, y is plus or minus 4. Y is plus 4 minus 4. Okay. Wait. Why? Because see, we have taken at x is equal to 0 only. What about at y is equal to 0? Then you take at y is equal to 0 also. At y is equal to 0, 16 minus 4x is equal to 0. Okay. 4x is equal to 16, x is equal to 4. This is very important. This is required for us. Okay. Now you see, x will be at y is equal to 0. Y is 0, but x will be 4. See here, this is 4. See, these three values are for second parabola. That means you can understand that this parabola will be in opposite direction. Understand the logic? This is required. Then only you can understand and you can proceed further. Okay? Now you solve these two, intersection points also will come. Okay, let us solve. See, I am solving. See, y both are y square only. Y square means, shall I write like this? See, 4x is equal to 16 minus 4x. Okay, yes. Then you see, 8x is equal to 16. X is equal to 2. That means this is 2. Understand the logic? Okay. Now we came to know that, see, these regions we can split like this. Wait, now you see here, this is first curve. 0 to 2, first curve you take, plus, here no minus, plus, 2 to 4, second curve you take, and do integration, that's all. Then you are going to get the area. Write down, area is equal to integral 0 to 2. See, 2 times I am making. Why? Because see, this is first portion only. Actually, down also is there, complete area. 2 times I am making. 2 times of 0 to 2. First curve. First curve means this is y square is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to 4x means y is equal to 2 root x. Plus or minus I am not taking. Why? Because the first quadrant I am taking all positive. Okay, 2 root x. Then you take 2 root x dx. Okay. Plus. Again integral, see 2 times. Here. Okay, 2 times integral 2 to 4. 2 to 4. Second one also you see y is equal to 2 square root of 4 minus x. Plus or minus 2 will come, but I don't take minus. Why? Because I am going to do in first quadrant. That means 2 into square root of 4 minus x dx. Okay. Now proceed further. Okay, you see 2 to 4 it will be, okay, x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 0 to 2. This is first one. Plus 2 to 4 will be there. Okay. Here also see 4 minus x whole power 1 by 2. That means see 4 minus x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. And but here 2 to 4, that is equal to. Okay. Let us proceed. See 8 by 3 will be there outside. See here also 8 by 3. Let me take 8 by 3. 2 by 3 will come outside. Denominator 3 by 2 means numerator 2 by 3. 8 by 3. See 2 power 2 by 3. 2 root 2. Okay. 2 power 1 by 2 is root 2. Root 2 into 3 times. Root 2 into root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2. 2 root 2 will come. Okay. This is upper limit. Lower limit x is 0 means 0. You need not take. Okay. Then I will make this as like this. Plus. This is also 8 by 3. 4 into 2, 8 by 3. Write down 8 by 3. Okay. Now come back here. You see, first one is 4 minus 4, 0. Minus, see here 0, if you apply 0 will come, that is why that term we have not taken, minus 0. But here 2 is there. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 power 3 by 2, again 2 root 2. Why? Because this is we have already 2 root 2. Okay. I think somewhere we have done mistake here. Wait. You see here 4 minus x means this is minus. That means see here minus has to come. Why? Because x has got minus value. Here x is positive, that is why positive. But here x is minus. Minus means minus has to come. Into minus 1, that means minus has to come. Okay. If minus is there means here we keep minus. Understand now why this minus has come? Because x has got minus. Okay. Now you see minus of minus it is going to become plus. That means 8 by 3 if you take common 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Okay, 8 by 3 you take common. 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2. 4 root 2, yes. 8 by 3 into 4 root 2. That is equal to 8 into 4. 32 root 2 divided by 3. This is your answer. 32 root 2 by 3 is your answer. Okay, that is the area. Okay. Now we stop this class. We will close this. We will continue in the next class. Thank you very much.